Welcome back to Dad Deals. We are officially 1 week until Christmas, so we are really getting down to the wire here. If you have any gifts to buy, today is really the cutoff where you can guarantee that it will arrive if you order online. But most of these stores, Lowe's included, obviously, you can order online, schedule it for pickup, usually the same day, or secure any of the deals and you'll have a few days to go pick it up. But we are definitely down to the wire. And in this video, we're going to cover Lowe's December deal drops, where they have posted different deals each week in December. But this is the final week here. They just dropped a bunch of new stuff. So sit back, relax, and I'll cover it all for you. As always, I will obviously have links in the description below. I do earn a small commission if you decide to use those links. And of course, if you find my video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So one thing I want to bring your attention to is the My Lowe's Rewards program. Now, basically the way this works is you earn points on your purchases, and they oftentimes have point boosters available. And there's a few of those boosters available right now. You can see them right here. You do have to go into your account and actually activate them though. So make sure you do that if any of your purchases are going to qualify. But right now they have 3 times points on any of the pet supplies that they have. So it's as easy as just clicking this activate button, and then you can click the shop now button, which will show you every product available for those points boosters. But you can see they have the dog bed that's on sale for 50 bucks. Even things like bird feeders are available. Dog toys are included in this. They have this gingerbread man on sale for just 8 bucks right now. That is half off the normal price. So don't forget about your dog this Christmas. And then you can score yourself 3 times points on top of that. The other boosted categories are going to be holiday gifts. So it even says white elephant specific gifts here, and also their toys. So if you have any toys to purchase, kids to buy for, activate both of these, either of these, before you buy any of those toys. Here's that holiday gift section. They have things like water bottles, even the Kobalt mini steel toolboxes are included in that, pickleball paddles, your Amazon Alexa devices, Fire TV sticks. This Blackstone 4-piece tool set would be a great gift for somebody, but lots of good stuff in here. And then just to give you an idea of the toys, here's what that looks like. They have things like outdoor play sets are included with that. So if you're going to make a $1,200 purchase, that 3 times points booster is going to make a huge difference. Even these build and grow crafts, now they do offer those free crafts each month, but these can be extra ones. And sometimes these are a little bit nicer, but you can get these for about $10, sometimes under. Some of them are about $8. Some of them are a little bit more expensive at 12 or 13 bucks. But they have things like scooters in here, just a ton of stuff. So especially if you're going to be after a more expensive item, definitely hit that points booster and get that free Lowe's cash that will come with it. All right, next up, they have 75% off most of their Christmas decorations. So if you have held out this long, now is the time to get to your store, check out what they have left, and buy it. So this is everything from Christmas trees to inflatable yard decorations, Christmas lights. Everything you can think of is a great price. This is the price to buy it at. It will not last long. So you can see here, here's the Grinch 9-foot animatronic outdoor decoration. It's $200. That's $200 off the normal price, so 50% off there. They also have a great price on these Govee. These are the permanent outdoor lights. So you install it once and you're good to go next year. This is the Elite lights that they sell, and this is a 100-foot strand that is on sale for $200. It's $130 off the normal price. And then check out this. If you actually buy 2 of them, so let's say you need 200 feet of lights, you're actually going to get an extra $60 off. So it might be a little late to install these. Maybe you still have a little bit of time to enjoy them for Christmas this year, but you will be ready to go for any of the holidays next year. So if you want this year to be the last year that you have to put up lights, definitely check out these from Govee. All right, my next deal are these Duraflame fire logs. So if you're going to have any bonfires or outdoor fire pits or even something in your indoor fireplace that you like to use this time of year, these Duraflame logs are great fire starters and can keep that fire burning a lot longer to where you don't really have to maintain it. So if you like to use these, this is a 6 log pack at $14. That's $6 off the normal price. Also, to go along with any outdoor fires that you might have is check out these funky flames. These are on sale for $6. You get a 3-pack of them, and they actually can turn your flame a bunch of fun colors. You can even use these inside in your indoor fireplace as well, but it might be something fun to throw in if you're having any fires this year. Again, that's a 3-pack for $6. Next up, we have a Kobalt buy some, get some free deal going on. They have done a lot of great deals on this Kobalt 24-volt line this year. Here's another great deal. This is a 4-tool 24-volt combo kit. You're getting a battery and charger with that for $250. And then you're going to get to pick 2 extra free tools with that. So 6 tools in total here with a battery and charger for $250. All right, next up are some good deals on these Craftsman cabinets. Here's your 52-inch wide, 10-drawer rolling cabinet. It's available in either red or black for $400. Craftsman's really stepping it up when it comes to these cabinets. They actually sent me over their new rolling mechanics toolbox that I'm getting a hands-on look at, and I'll have a full review on that coming in January. Next up from the Kobalt Outdoor 80-volt line is this leaf blower. This comes with two 2.5 amp hour batteries and a charger, and this is their 630 CFM model. So a great mid-level leaf blower here, and this is $200 for the kit. Next up, we have the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. This is the top of the line Fire TV stick you can get. This is on sale for $40. Remember to hit that 3 times points booster, but this has the latest Wi-Fi 6E, and it's probably the most bang for your buck device out there when it comes to these streaming devices. All right, next up, we have this DeWalt 5-tool combo kit. You're getting 2 batteries and a charger with this for $450. That includes the circ saw, the multi-tool, drill drivers, reciprocating saw, and a case for a great price. Here's a great gift idea. This is a screwdriver set. Comes on a nice stand so you can set it right on your workbench, and it's ready to go. Kind of organizes all of your screwdrivers, precision screwdrivers in here, Allen keys, and this whole set is $30. Here's one of the best outdoor pizza ovens around. This is the Uni, and this is your 16-inch version. It runs off propane, but this can make some delicious pizzas outside on a back deck or patio, and this is on sale for $454. That's almost $200 off. All right, some ego deals to talk about. Here is the work light. This is super popular. This thing is awesome. It gets super bright, 10,000 lumens of output with this, and this is $140. That's $40 off. You also have their string trimmer. I know we're out of season, but you can get a good deal on this. This comes with their 2.5 amp hour battery and charger included. This has the power load feature, which can make loading that string extremely easy and automatic. And this is $200. That's $50 off the normal price. Check out this deal. This is the TCL. I know I'm used to seeing those on TVs, but they also make a beverage refrigerator with a nice glass door so you can see right into it. It can hold up to 94 cans and just has a pretty cool design to it. And this is on sale for just $160. That's $240 off the normal price. All right, next up is a car cleaning kit, a great gift idea as well. This has been $20 for a while, but now it's on sale for just $15. But you're getting glass cleaning wipes, wash and wax, a wash pad, tire shine, all that is included in this kit. Here's another pretty cool item that's on clearance. These are these stealth mounts, and this works on the Kobalt 24-volt tools. So it basically replaces the belt clip and adds a magnet that can hold any bits that you have. So these could be really handy. It's a 2-pack for just $14. So if you know anybody that has Kobalt tools, this could be a great deal. Now, this is a deal of the day. You do need to pick up this today. I know it's late, but you still have a little bit of time left to pick this up. All right, the next item on sale is this Style Selections. This is a rechargeable sound machine with some nice soothing lights to it. If you have any guests coming over to your house, especially if they have any babies or kids, pick up one of these so everyone gets a nice night's sleep right before Christmas time. But this is on sale for $20. Next up, here's a nice price on the Utilitech LED 2-pack rechargeable under cabinet light bars. These also are motion censored with a remote. It's on sale for $28. But these have a bunch of different uses. You can actually hang them, mount them under a cabinet easily, but a nice price for these light bars. Next up, we have the DeWalt 20-volt max 2-tool combo kit here. You're getting 2 batteries. They are the 2 amp hour version and a charger with a bag for $150. Craftsman has their trade stack. Now, this is their more premium version of these modular toolboxes. They have the Versa stack and the trade stack, but this is your 3-piece starter set here for $150. You also have this nice bit set from DeWalt. This is a 110-piece set. I like how they divide it up into 4 different cases, all with clear tops on them so you can see exactly what's in there. And this is $30. A great price on a level. This is down to $11. This is your Craftsman I-beam level. This is a nice Kobalt 5-piece set at $20. So you got your needle nose, some slip joint pliers, a nice 5-piece set here, and that's $13 off. These battery-powered screwdrivers are really nice to have. Here's the Kobalt one. I'm not really sure why it says the battery is included, the charger not included. It all just charges on this USB cable right here, which is definitely included. But this is $20. That's $8 off the normal price. You're also getting a bunch of bits and an extension there. A nice light-duty pressure washer from Greenworks. This is your 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. Very portable pressure washer. Comes with the foam cannon. Now, it does only come with 2 spray tips, which is a little bit of a bummer, but this is a great price at $80. The Blink camera, this is your wired floodlight camera. The lights can get up to 2,600 lumens, even has a built-in siren, obviously works with Alexa and Amazon devices. This is down to $50. That's half off the normal price. This next item would be a great stocking stuffer. This is sort of a multi-tool that could fit on your keychain, has a carabiner built into it, but this is rechargeable, has a magnet on the back, a flashlight on the front, also has a multi-tool in it. So it has a slot for some screwdrivers, can pretty much clip it on anywhere, even has a bottle opener and a window breaker. So a pretty cool all-in-one tool here from Black & Decker at just $7. A nice fiberglass stepladder from Little Giant is $120. This is going to give you a lot higher reach than most of your household stepladders. It also has this extended area up here that you can lean up against. That'll just keep you more secure. So a great price on a nice household stepladder here. And that's it. I just wanted to show you some of those December deal drops that Lowe's just added. Again, you have 1 week till Christmas. Don't wait till the last minute. And again, just thank you for watching. Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas. And I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.